Hi guys, I'm going to show you a few quick ways to wear your hair for Valentine's Day. These are easy, feminine, pretty looking hairstyles, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. So for the first hairstyle, you're going to take 2 pieces of hair in front. If you have bangs, just start the hair a little further back, and you're going to be twisting them like a rope. Then once you get to this point, you can go ahead and pull the hair up and out a little bit while still holding the ends so that it looks a little bit messier. And then you're gonna wanna take a bobby pin and just bobby pin this temporarily for right now. Now I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Now that you have both pieces, you're gonna go ahead and take this one back and unpin that bobby pin. And then you'll have a little crown. And all I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a clip, any clip of your choice. I have this cute checkered clip. And I'm going to clip it back there and then make sure the front is how I want it to look. So I want to do a really pretty updo, and I'm gonna have some pieces hanging down to make it look real messy. Now I am taking it in a ponytail and I'm flipping it through so that there's a bun on the back, and then you have all of this hair hanging in front. Now you're going to take some of this hair in the bun and manipulate it so it's messier, and eventually you can bobby pin some down in the back here, and then you're going to take all this hair and just bobby pin it real messy. So I will show you. I'm going to kind of do an even amount on both sides like that. And then I'm gonna start working with the back.
Let's maybe take that right there. I'm gonna take some of these and pin them back.
Also take some hairs and pull them out. Whoops, that is too much. Don't worry, you can always just bobby pin it back up if you don't like it. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That's the messy updo. We have some pretty pieces hanging down in the back, and the rest is just curly, messy, cute. The next hairstyle is a ponytail hack. And again, this is kind of a messier hairstyle. You're going to take your ponytail, wrap it once, take half of your hair, and then wrap that so you create another ponytail on top. Like that. And it's just a cute volume hack if you want like a flirty ponytail is what I'm gonna call this. And then you can either take a piece of your hair and you can wrap it all the way around and then secure it. Or you can take a piece of pink or red ribbon, whatever color you're wearing, and you can wrap that around. That's it for today. I hope you guys try out one of those easy, simple hairstyles. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, see ya.